What?
You heard me.
Keep going.
Kind of big. What's up, oh?
Another maybe a fireworks is broken in half.
That would be unfortunate.
Anyway, everything.
Whoa. Maybe they're trying to make all the planets.
I hope they don't hear this.
They probably already have. It's like a star, yeah. It was awesome. I like the commentary. Yeah, that's it.
We need to make commentary on this video. I don't like. All my videos have commentary. Maybe I have shows on here or.
Yeah, even your little kitty cat thing.
Oh yeah, my cat that thing while eating.
Yeah.
I think it's amazing. I don't know where it went though.
Huh.
It's like
Video
gone.
fireworks.
Ah.
Boom.
I think it's weird that, like,
It's the same
Light waves
thing.
travel
People-
faster than
people
sound.
want
Sound.
to-
Whoa!
Whoa.
Go physics!
Yeah.
Yeah, yo.
Something.
I like when it light up and you can see the in the classroom.
I mean, I was watching them just go fly after they stop after a while. Rachel would be a perfect time to bomb us.
Perfect. Oh, yeah. It's like perfect. What?
Nice.
Hey Molly, I'm recording.
Cool. This is not fascinating at all.
No, it's
Oh,
reflecting.
upside down?
Yeah.
It's reflecting in the glass behind
This way instead of that way.
because
So she's watching
it's
the light
reflecting in the glass behind you, and it looks like fireworks are coming out of your head.
Really? It does! This is fascinating.
In a video.
Ah! Sorry about that.
It looks like fireworks are coming out of Molly's head when you look at the
I just. The video might not be too good after all because I just dropped it and I looked at it. Sorry.
Chill.
Hi, Keisha.
Hey!
That's pretty funny, Molly.
Nah, don't lie.
I like how you're so entertained by that.
I like the really, really
I
big
like
ones
how
that,
like all of you guys are recording this.
I'm
Duh.
not.
It's fire and it's being
Yeah.
exploded.
And it's cool.
So we're gonna have like 3 different point of views of this.
Right?
I don't know if
No.
I'm allowed to.
Well,
I don't know if I
yeah,
can
kinda.
upload this one or not.
I can't.
I tried.
I can.
I
I can't even
can.
find it.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi. You can't really see this too dark.
Ah.
That was fun.
Oh.
Yeah, it's better.
And he got quiet.
I like when they let off a lot at the time, and then it's like.
Uh-oh.
They're eating.
I hear you, Crystal.
Yeah, me too.
I'm.
Well, last night I was like laying on the grass on a blanket, so this is a little bit better.
Yeah. That's
Whee!
Just a little bit. People think these are overachievers.
Oh my god.
Now they're just like thinking stuff bone up.
Amanda Jean wants to be a pyrotechnician.
I don't want to, but I found out
I
it's
don't
kind of a
think that would
boring
surprise
job.
anyone.
Really?
So.
That one didn't go up. Yeah, it did. It did. It went straight up.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see it.
That was whippy.
It's a pretty firework. Doesn't have to be small.
Explosions and all are pretty. Okay, you know,
None of
we
them are,
go
like,
glittering in
sizzling.
the sky.
The sizzle. I hate the ones that scream.
I love those.
The ones that are like
Hilarious.
this. And it's like, oh, my eardrum.
I thought they go.
What if they were the same time as the baby going on?
That's okay, I was gardening the other day, and a beetle flew down my pants and started biting me.
Ish. I had a spider that big. The body was that big in my pants Wednesday. Or no,
I was
funny, I'm not gonna
talking to her. I have a video pointed at your thumb.
I would not have ran like that had the spider not been. Like the time at my house
Light.
with Lacey.
Molly, it's Transformers.
That's not good. Those hit the ground. What does it do?
Molly, check your phone.
I have nothing. There's a bunny.
Holy
Do you have a message from your mom?
Yeah.
Okay, did you get that a while ago?
Uh-oh. ones? You hate those?
No, the ones that are like,
That really when they go up?
yeah, those.
Oh, those are amazing.
What? Why is a little light just flying around? It looks like a helicopter.
Hit.
Whatever.
We're under attack!
That would be amazing. Like, am I flying a little plane on July 4th or celebrating anything else out?
What if you forgot what day it was? Just flying around a little bot plane like, wait a second. It's not July 4th.
All I know is if we start getting balls dropping this, I'm good, because that thing goes up to 90 miles per hour in like 15 seconds.
What does?
My car.
It would really be sad if you had an airplane.
time too, yeah.
Well, I like 10. I'm a bad judge.
10 is still a pretty long time.
Not for a really old car.
Yeah, because it goes
It's
up
not
to
a really
60 and
old car,
3.5.
How old is your car?
95.
It's not that old.
Yeah, you're recording or
I am a bad recorder. So far, I've recorded Felicia's thigh in the ground.
On my toes.
Oh,
This one's gonna be big.
Whoa, that's nifty
Let's
looking.
get
Whee!
This video is 7 minutes.
This
This
video
might
is
make you cringe, but
6:20.
Mr. Kevin was telling us about how he had a friend who lives on the lake and they were setting off fireworks.
Yeah.
And really
Okay, well,
echoed.